Hi on. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a small details regarding Windows Ink and graphic tablet or drawing tablet. If you don't know what this Windows Ink is, it is a Microsoft feature which is only available for pen devices or devices which got pen support. But on our graphic tablet or drawing tablet, there is an option which will help to emulate our graphic tablet or drawing tablet as a Windows Ink device. This Windows Ink option or the Windows Ink feature available for our graphic tablet will improve our tablet experience as well as the pen experience as well as the drawing experience to a whole new level. And there is some small things that you want to keep in mind, and we are going to discuss that thing in this video. Also a note, I personally never used an official pen supported device, so all my experience is from my graphic tablet by enabling the Windows Ink option. So let's jump into this video. The first thing is that when you enable Windows Ink option, your entire tablet experience will improve, and the feel that you will get after enabling Windows Ink is that your device has turned into a touch device. Like when you scroll, you can just use your pen to scroll up and down, and to select you just need to long press the pen to select, and if you want to type something you can use your pen to write the thing. So the entire experience of using the pen will improve, and that is the first thing. It is making our device into touch device, or it is giving a feel of using a touch device. And the second thing that I want to share is more of like a contradictory point, that is, for some application by enabling Windows Ink it will work smoother. You can use the pen in that application very smoothly and you don't need to worry about anything. And if it's a drawing application, you can draw lines more smoother compared to just using the pen tablet. And the contradictory thing is that on some other application it don't have the pen support, like fully supported pen. It will support because it is installed on Windows device. Apart from that, it don't support the pen, so the experience of using pen on that device will not be smooth, and you will sometimes face performance issue while using Windows Ink because it is not working that fine. So for some application Windows Ink is good, for some other application it is not that good. The next thing I want to share is regarding middle click. On certain application, that is drawing application or video editing application, middle click button or the shortcut for middle click is a very good shortcut, and we can't reassign that shortcut key. So when you enable middle click shortcut for pen button on your graphic tablet or drawing tablet, on some application it will work fine, there won't be any problem. On some other application the middle click will not be registered. And there is a third case, that is, on some application the middle click button will work as middle click and drag, but if you enable the Windows Ink and you are using a drawing tablet, then the function will be like pressing the pen and just hovering over your pen tablet, but it won't be recognized. So to recognize, what you need to do is that press the middle click shortcut button, then you want to drag over the pen tablet to get the middle click plus drag option. So if you are using an application with got middle click button and you are using the graphic tablet with Windows Ink enabled, you want to consider these three things, because based on my experience this application will fall into these three categories. So by understanding these three things you can use the pen tablet more effectively. And the last thing I want to share is that the mouse pointer you see while using the Windows Ink enabled graphic tablet is not the original mouse pointer. It is Windows Ink pointer. So some application will have problem if you use the Windows Ink pointer. It is not big problem, it is problem related to shortcut keys. An example is that on Affinity Photo, the middle click and drag option will help you to move your canvas, but while using the Windows Ink enabled graphic tablet on this Affinity Photo, and if you use the middle click shortcut key on the pen and just drag over the canvas, it will not work because the mouse pointer you see on the Affinity Photo is not the original mouse pointer. It is Windows Ink pointer, and that pointer don't have the function, that is middle click and drag. Only the mouse pointer got that function. So keeping this small point in mind will help you on certain application, because the thing I mentioned is not only applicable for Affinity Photo, it is applicable for certain other applications too. So that's all about this video regarding Windows Ink and graphic tablet. I hope you guys find this video useful and it may help to improve your graphic tablet experience. So thanks for watching guys. Talk to you in next one.